Hi, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to discuss the setups required for the MAGIO MX-BC12 with an HST booster heater. One of the first things is you need to connect the CAN bus cable between the MAGIO and the HST control box. You can power the MAGIO from the HST, so you only need one three-phase connection rather than having a single phase. When you first turn on the MAGIO, it will go through its startup screen. When it first comes up, you'll notice there's a little X underneath the heating symbols. That indicates that the booster heater is not enabled. So you need to go into the menu, install unit, scroll down, and you'll see booster heater. There's a little slider there. Slide it over, now it is enabled. If we go back to the main screen, the little X is now gone. One other thing you need to double check under the connect unit interfaces, the analog, currently it's set for cooling pulse. You want that set for backflow. If it's left in cooling pulse and you do not have countercooling water connected, the unit will try to cool as if it had cooling, but it will not, obviously, if there's no countercooling. So those are your two main menu options that you need to make sure are set prior to using your HST for the first time. And that's how you set up your MAGIO MX-BC12 with a booster heater. Thank you for watching.